Hello, I have on this PinePhone the new beta release of Phosh. This is Phosh 0.20.0 beta 1, and this has some really nice improvements. The most noticeable of all the improvements is that the top and bottom bar now are opened with gestures instead of tapping. If I have an application open here, I can just pull down the menu smoothly and close it. It just tracks your finger really smoothly now. And this is the original PinePhone hardware, not the PinePhone Pro. The bottom bar of Phosh also has the same improvement. It can now smoothly be opened, but only if the keyboard is not open. And it is not possible to close it unless there's an application open. And it feels like the scrolling and the application list is also a lot smoother in this release, but that might be due to something else. This also has a new update for the compositor, so there might be improvements there. The gestures are not the only improvement in this Phosh release. There's also the new design on this top menu, and the layout for the clocks and the controls at the top is the major improvement. It looks a lot nicer. If you go to the lock screen, there's also the access to the top menu, which was not here before, which is nice for controlling things like brightness and volume quickly. And now I need to log back in. Now I have to check the Phosh release notes quickly. Yes, there's also the new details option in the app drawer menu. If you open the app drawer, you can hold one of the applications and then click View Details. This will launch GNOME software in this case, and in this installation I don't have any of the AppStream data installed, so it won't actually show details. But this is nice for applications that have been installed through Flatpak or happen to have AppStream packaged. It's a bit of a mess in PostMarketVest currently. Let me check if settings has it. Nope, I don't think any of the apps currently have AppStream packaged on this build. Another change I see here is some display settings improvements. Let's open the GNOME Control Center and go to the display settings. It should be somewhere here. Right, yep. And now there's a nightlight option. I'm not entirely sure if this was here or not, but it's mentioned in the release notes at least. So the nightlight functions. And if I turn this off, it's still a bit orange. Yeah, it takes a bit. Right, I think this is all the improvements. Let's have a look at the hardware of the device I used. Or let's do that in PostMarketVest Fix, because the details are more detailed. This is an original 1.2 PinePhone running from SD card, and it's quite smooth. And if you have the PinePhone Pro or one of the other PostMarket supported phones like the OnePlus 6, it will be really smooth. PostMarket will probably wait until this Phosh release is out of beta before it will be released to any of the stable branches. You might put one of the beta versions in Edge. It looks reasonably stable at the moment, except there needs to be some tweaks to how sensitive the gestures are. If you compare to an Android phone, you need to pull the gesture way further down before it actually triggers. But that's some easy tweaking on the Phosh development side. Yeah, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.